Hey, this is Dave with Sunshine State Buyers, and today I'm going to share with you some tips that you want to follow if you want to sell your house quickly in Miami, Florida, or anywhere in Florida. This is going to be some things that you want to skip out. So what people usually try to do when they sell their houses, they may try to do their own renovations, and sometimes they go into costly renovations. Sometimes they actually make their house less desirable because we'll go over it today, all right? So let's just follow the points on the board, right? So these are just some tips that you want to follow if you want to sell your house for more while spending a lot less money or a lot less time doing these things, right? So the first thing is a paint job. This is really easy. Paint your house inside, outside, wherever it may be. It's going to make your house look 10 times better than if it had some old paint, right? The second thing is you want to do a kitchen and bathroom facelift. So don't spend too much money renovating your bathroom, but if you're missing like little drawer knobs, and there's just some cosmetic changes that you can change. Maybe let's say change the faucet or something like that. Or it's a little bit of an older faucet. Just doing those small things just makes the bathroom or the kitchen just a lot better, right? The next thing is do some landscaping. If you just need to cut the grass or maybe put some small trees up or some small trees down, depending on your situation. Don't spend too much money doing this. Don't spend too much time. You don't have to hire anybody. You can easily do this yourself. That would help you to raise the value of your house. Just pick the aesthetics of it. Just looking at it, you'd be like, wow, this house looks awesome. It's just because you did these little small changes. The next thing is just obvious, clean your house. There are some people that want to sell their house and it's not as clean as it should be. It just doesn't sell because it's hard for some people to see past the uncleanliness. So for some people, they can see past that and be like, of course, when you buy a house, you're gonna clean it, right? But if you do that ahead of time, it just opens up the eyes of the buyers a lot more. So that's just a simple little tip that you can do to sell your house for more, and it doesn't cost you a lot of time. So some of the things that you don't want to do that's going to cost you a lot of time and a lot of frustration is doing big renovations. So you don't have to do a new kitchen. Sometimes you try to do a new kitchen, you try to customize them, these interesting things, and that for some people they just don't like that. So don't leave that up to somebody buying up the house or somebody who does that professionally. Don't try to do your own renovations. It can even hurt you. So something to avoid. A new roof. Sometimes a house needs a new roof. You don't have to do the roof. You can have somebody do that for you. So you just tell the house exactly how it is. We'll come in. We have a team that can fix the roof fairly quickly. And we know that you do your work, so you don't have to do that. Put that risk on yourself. We can do that for you. Skip the pool and the patio. Anything custom or something that can be highly customized, like a pool and patio, you just want to avoid because you just never know if it's going to be the style that somebody is interested in buying. So just sell the house as is, and you can possibly save yourself a lot of time and frustration. So if you are interested in selling your home, might be one of the reasons why you're watching this video. Obviously, if you've come this far, just come to our website, sunshinestatebuyers.com, or call us, at the number on this video, and we will give you a cash offer, usually within hours, maybe minutes. It just depends on the day, but give us a try. We can give you a fair cash offer for your house. You don't have to take the offer; it's no obligation. But if you are interested in selling your house, follow these tips. You can definitely get a lot more bang for your buck. And if you are interested in working with us, then give us a call or visit our website, and we can take it from there. So I appreciate your time. Thank you for watching this video. If you are interested in selling your house, we do have more videos that are going to cover this topic. We can share with you the different processes of selling in a home or how we work. And you can definitely take it from there. So appreciate your time. Thank you. Have a great day. God bless.